Hey, yo, it's your boy, your distant friend, as always. Let's go! Today I have indaba ezingiphathe kahle man yabo, but I feel like if I just share like I feel like people need to know like what it takes to be a creator, to be an artist, you know. And also kune downs, kune ups, kune highs and all of that. Yeah. So the story goes, I got scammed by Losisi, you know. Losisi, she works for Sandy Soil PR and marketing company, so she says. That's a way I can't track on Facebook. So the conversation between me and this lady was based on knowing Indubana. When you have a brand, this is my understanding. I just want to like briefly explain my understanding on why I took this approach. My understanding. A PR company and marketing specifically works with brands to put your brand ebusweni babantu, like quite often yabo, to platforms as public blogs, newspapers, TV, radio, and all of that. So that's what the PR company does. And a PR company, I believe that spanner. I believe that man enhance a role yakho in a creative space. Okay, it makes people understand your brand better. And that's what I had in mind. Okay, PR is gonna do A, B, C, and D. And Losisi is working as Undu that is marketing in the music business. Yeah. So this is her timeline. So our conversation was based on the fact that okay, I'm gonna pay a specific amount of money monthly. Then these are the services that you can make as well. So yeah, sure. So I specialize on radio airplays and all. Radio airplays, TV plays, radio interviews, TV interviews, newspaper, magazine articles, paying gigs, paying gigs. So yeah, I was like, okay, now we're cool. Yeah, it sounds like a plan. Let's do it. Yeah. So at the time, I wasn't ready with my project, but I was still working on it. So I was like, okay, let me just pay stay there. Why didn't Badal and submit it so that by this time and the project because I was like way like send plan I won't get away is a balance cool. I'm so obsessed with my independence, I'm so obsessed with being independent as an artist or as a creative or as a musician. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hire people out rather than me working under own level. So that's what I had in mind. So cool, like a story. Moving forward. So I have this conversation on my sister about okay, I kept paying imali while in the my project and I'm still working on it, but it's like pretty soon. So yeah, project done in Dutch. Perfectly in Dutch and Dutch there's a radio interview in Pretoria. And I'm like, ish. I don't think it's gonna make sense right now to go to a radio interview. To go to a radio interview. You just gotta let me know not cool. I'm gonna do the story. That's Dutch. Done with the project, get in Dutch. Sister, I'm done with this project. I'm too many everything. Sure. Everything profile, KP, what's this thing? Press kit or everything man so now I'm just waiting for her to say okay so I was like okay I took a radio interview again in Pretoria. I'm like it's a king like it's a kingdom style. I was like you know what, let me go to Pretoria man. Let me go to Pretoria because I don't want this interview to be over the phone final interview like the presence I'm by feel so cool. Can you please hold this interview back for just a month? There's something that I need to figure out about. I can cool like a store. bonise ebantwini e-PTA ke yabo fike kwami e-PTA first thing endenza ngiyandatsha sister ngase into kanje nginomlando nginomjojo nginomtsetse masithi ke masisipane ready yabo ready let's go yabo cool angaphenduli igqala yabo wenza ngantoni uthini wathi xaka yabo again mina intatho ngoba I know yempeni case of because the reason why I'm here the way ukudibanisa the way everything ihlangene tracks are ready everything is out like dingeka ngokuba ndibe out there yabo so cool phela intatho angaphenduli hayi twice and I'm like dibhatele apha lo kazongenzela lonto yabo yini intatho again aphendule ngelingeni esithi uzobuyela kumcela impictures okay cool hey dilinde manaba ngithina lewe unindilindile yini aphele ulanduka uDecember yabo aphele uDecember singena kuJanuary salindile yabo but ke ngumuntu ninguye ke andisoze ngilinde ngisongizandla yabo sipana yabo ndaqhubeka ngenza into zami sipane ngapostoli imtatho lo sister again uba nomsindo ke ngoku yabo sengiqala ufuna urector ngezinye indlela ba ekuse hayi kaluka hayi kwenzeka ntoni ayicacise ke kuba noma kubunyaka usaqala yabo so uDecember like they were focusing mainly on bigger artists and then we festive season all of that so they understand njengomuntu osoloke understand anokhula apostoli so at least maybe January at least kumoyizana died down. Okay, not cool. I have to understand, even though this is I'm a big artist as well, I can make things happen. Like I can shake his I know myself. Cool, then I go store. Didn't touch a sister about how is the process in terms of on the radio, because there's a song that I want to put out after the one when there's a new song that I would love at least nayo ingene yabo if there's a chance kadibanisa into zakho zenzeke yabo I would love the song to play on radio. The title of the song ithandethu mama so cool to realize something but kanjani I call clear sample yale ngoma so it's not going to make sense so you cut it off yabo because my initial plan was to re-record okay mangathi re-record the song re-record the song though with MJ yabo see reproducer from scratch and then that was my initial plan but because of the call I take call away so I was like okay so cool and how is the progress with ingoma zigqithileyo buze benilike it hayibo the song has been playing on radio hayibo which radio hayibo dithi ke ngoku mna iquestion yama atsho ngasusunenze ngalona sister ne andingomntana yabo please like kawenze into concrete iphi nonibonisayo ba okay this song is being playing on radio iphi proof at least I gotta know ba kwenzeka ntoni yabo azothi I just want to check man but please send me a message our last message I just want to check that and has put up his messages put up days I think it's not the same when you fold the years but nonetheless so cool azothi ke ngoku the song is being played on radio mina believe ke ukuthi ithethayo nabo sing is believing apha kuma ulongela ingoma yami iyadlala radio mina ndingayazi lento like yabo like can icacise abantu abasebenza kwi-site the PR like how does that issue work yeah, I'm still gonna do my research about it but all in all I'm not happy with the service of the and I so wish nezinye up and coming artists zingafunda from my mistake yabo because I think the biggest mistake in Nestle was to ukunikeza ngemali before ndibone umsebenzi yabo esenzeka but ke nonetheless into ezininzi zisebenza ngolo hlobo you pay you get the service yabo but unfortunately for me I didn't get the service I was expecting from this company yabo and in matter of fact andifumenanga nix yabo I just paid the amount of money for nothing yabo andifumenanga nix. But I'm saying this to say, it's not the first time in my journey as an artist. I remember back in, I think, a couple of years ago when I released Una Never. When I released To Now or Never, I had a guy that I was working with. He sort of was like our manager or something. You know? I remember, and Nate will tell the story. You know? Okay, you be, this guy, hey, this guy. But nonetheless, Ngoku, like he faced the consequences of everything awayenzayo yabo. So ndizama ukuthi inhliziyo enyulu yabo ayisimntu ndawo yabo. If ever nawe sister uyayibona le message or the team asebenza nayo it happened by eJeguni le nto ndiyithethayo right now, I want you to know that ndilimpondomse and andihambi ndedwa yabo, ndihamba nabantu abakhulu yabo. So ezinye izinto ingaske uzenze ngenhliziyo ekhululekileyo yabo, because asoze ngithande yabo, and angithande inhliziyo yami ibambekile right now yabo. So ingaske nawe yabo ube grand for you to work your things out, like for into zakho zisipane grand kwabe ngumuntu grand yabo. So I'm saying this to say intobana be careful of into ezenzayo ebantwini man yabo, because asifani singabantu yabo, singabanye abantu sizithwalisiwe izinto sizithunyiweyo yabo. Uyisemkhulu noqhiyankulu basijongile yabo. So I'm happy that then ayifumana i-chance nendawo ebana ndike ndithethe ngale nto yabo, because ibindibotherisha kakhulu yabo. But now that ndithetha ngayo, I feel better and I know better, and thank you for the experience on Fundisile yabo. Yiphandla kanye libona. Otherwise, it's all love. Luthando kodwa sikhona, and I truly appreciate each and everyone that listened to the project. Distant Friend, the epitome of art. It's one of the dopest project to ever been released by Hazard. But we're still working on a whole lot of things, man. We have a project coming up, titled Eating Clover. So yeah, we're still going hard, man. And I thought I was gonna play one or two songs from one, because the only thing that I have right now, Abacum, beat, and I haven't been